Hello everybody and welcome back to Munich Central Station, where today my trip is beginning. Today we're taking one of the shortest commercial railways in all of Bavaria as far as I know. My name is Michael, I am the Bavarian Globetrotter here on YouTube, where you can follow me traveling around the world and as well in my hometown or my home province of Bavaria. Today I'm taking a trip down to the, lower Bavarian land, I would say. It is close to the Alps, and I'm checking out one of the rarest trains or train lines I can find. It is only about 10 kilometers in total. But first, we have to get down there. This train starts in Prien, at the beautiful lake of Chiemsee, and therefore I chose, it might be interesting to take one of the longest Eurocity routes that are here in Germany. So take along and we'll take down from Munich main station the Eurocity train called Münsterland, which will arrive in a couple of minutes here. In the meantime, you can just enjoy the way that I took today from Munich East station to Munich Central Station by tramways, and we'll see us in a bit.
Gleis 12 Einfahrt EC 115 von Münster, Westfalen zur Weiterfahrt nach Klagenfurt über Rosenheim, Braunschweig, Freilassing, Abfahrt 14:17 Uhr. Die Wagen erster Klasse Abschnitt E, Vorsicht bei der Einfahrt.
Here you can see the entire route of the Eurocity Münsterland. On this train we have 6-seat apartments and a big table in the middle. This table was pretty steady and you can widen it with 4 different options. So your laptop, newspaper, food or drinks will fit easily on it.
und insgesamt 440 Euro für Sie.
Each compartment has the option to switch into night mode, so you can switch off the lights and turn down the speed. Every seat comes as well with its own power outlet. And of course, you can set the temperature at your comfort.
In wenigen Minuten gegen 15:18 Uhr erreichen wir Prien am Chiemsee auf Gleis 1. In Prien haben Sie Anschluss an die Regionalbahn nach Aschau in Chiemgau über Pfaffendorf, Abfahrt Zeit 16:02 von Gleis 1a. Ich bin Erst, Reise der Deutschen Bahn, wünsche Ihnen einen schönen Tag sowie ein schönes Wochenende. Auf Wiedersehen. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes we'll next stop Prien. Connecting trains, the local train to Aschau via Pfaffendorf. Volt to platform 1A. Please protect the seat more passengers. Thank you for choosing a Deutsche Bahn today. Take care and goodbye. Wir erreichen hier am Chiemsee gleich auf Gleis 1. Der Ausstieg dort in Fahrtrichtung rechts.
We are now on board this pretty small train from Prien to Aschau. This train is the series 628 from Deutsche Bahn, and it's only a two-carriage train. The standard layout is in a 2-2 configuration, and there are some seats facing each other. In the middle of the train you have the two center doors and as well the washroom. At one end of the train there is a small first-class compartment which offers 12 seats in total. The layout of this train is pretty basic, but honestly, do you need more comfort? You have enough legroom. The only thing what I think should be improved, that there must be some sort of table in this compartment. So now, let's enjoy our short trip from Prien am Chiemsee to Aschau, Chiemgau.
Well, when I woke up, she was looking at me. She told me I've been cheating on her in her dream. Lord, it wasn't a thing I could do or say to change her mind any way. I couldn't stay the same, so I stopped going out on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Yeah, everything she asked I left in the past, just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, all I've been domesticated. She told me to top off her Jeep, the one I bought her when I sold my old GT. And I bumped in to my good friend, and he asked me where the hell had I been. So I told him what she told me. If I didn't change, she was gonna leave. So I stopped going out on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Everything she asked I left in the past, just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, I'm domesticated. But when I got home, she sat me down, said she wasn't happy and she wanted out. Everything about the man she once loved is long gone, baby, and it's all because I stopped going out on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Everything she asked I left in the past, just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, Lord, I've been domesticated. Lord, I've been domesticated. All I do is stay at home all day.
As we are rolling along, I just want to fill you in with some details about this route. It's only about 9 kilometers long in total, and the travel time is 14 minutes. On a normal day, there are 18 trains going round trip from Prien to Aschau and back. As far as I know, this is the shortest commercial railway in Germany that offers a year-round service every day. So, welcome to Aschau, Chiemgau, after our short hop over from Prien. I hope you have enjoyed it. Let's see what the station has to offer. So guys, I'm now at the end of my journey from Munich to Aschau, with spending time on one of the longest Eurocity routes in Europe, and as well on the shortest commercial railway that I know here in Bavaria, which are only about 9 kilometers long. You will find all the details about this train in the description, and as well I will post it at the end of this video. So, as always, thank you for watching, take care and goodbye.